Alright guys, so the frame is done and I got the motherboard tray in, and as you see in the other video I got the Rocketfish hard drive cages in, which is really all I was waiting for to finish this project. Now we are on to mounting the motherboard tray and drilling the holes for all the cable management. It's basically going to be like any other case mod that you would do with drilling holes in the motherboard tray. As you can see, we got our generic motherboard tray here. It's just also came with this cool nifty switch here. I got to take that off. I still got to remove some tape. Yeah, as you can see, it's just a basic old removable motherboard tray from an old server case probably. And for now, just for the mocking up purposes and just getting this thing together to test out how it is, I'm just going to drill the holes. And what I decided I'm going to do, because the way this edge is and how thin this is, I'm going to put a 1/4 inch piece of plywood like I did down here on top of this, and then this will mount on top of that. I'll have it going right inside of this little groove here that runs around the edge of it. And then basically to mount it, I'm thinking about just using regular like machine screws with like flat heads, and then a bolt nut combination. And I'll send there's mounts back here, and I'll see if I can turn this for you guys. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw holes here. I'll use 2 of these screw holes in the back to secure it back here, and then in the front, I got stuff falling everywhere. Oh well. And in the front, I'm gonna have 2 screws or 2 bolts going through right here, and then they're gonna go through the bottom. Gonna have a nut on the bottom, or maybe I'm even thinking of like a wing nut, which would be faster. Because basically, I want it to be inexpensive, durable, but still be able to remove it quickly. So you'll have 4 points, just like any other motherboard tray. Just boom, 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 take the tray out, And when I go with the final hard drive or the final motherboard trays, it might be a different setup, but for the prototype, this is what's going to happen. And other than that, I got to drill some holes for cables, and the only thing I can see right now is this. The 8-pin is probably going to end up running out the back around, since I'm not going to have enough room, because the tray, the motherboard's going to come up to, right on the edge. So for this one, it's not going to work like that. But like I said, this is just a prototype. So basically, what we're going to do, start taking some measurements, and I also got to get the front panel wiring done. This isn't all of it. This is LEDs and these are switches. So, and I actually just remembered I shipped something out. I was supposed to include an LED with it, and I forgot it. Crap. So that's another issue. But yeah, I'm just gonna remove the switch here, and then make some measurements, and I'll make another update for you guys.